Salute to you. Video is for the beginners. School going students, they can make this it a DIY project also. So just watch my video carefully, gradually, and just make pause in between, then again proceed like that to learn the things in a nice way. So let us proceed. So my dear friends, this is the first method I will start with. Very simple. Just you need one plug, one lamp holder, one lamp and two wires, 1 meter each, red and black, to make a series test lamp. Nothing to do. Always use your gloves if you are doing it first time. Right? Take care about it. And choose the color code. Always face on the red wire, black on neutral, so that there are no chances of risk of shock. Always mark which side is face, which side is neutral. From here we will take our supply for this test series lamp. Right? So the face, the red side of the plug should be towards the face, so that in black there is no current till you don't open the switch. Just insert the lamp and our test series lamp is ready. So simple, so easy. Now it is okay. Now what we will do, we will cut the black wire of our this test series lamp and make two knobs for the continuity test, short test, open test. So like that. Now test series lamp is ready and we will test everything with these two knobs of this black wire. Now you will see it is cut, not lightning. Now I will touch, the lamp will start. So if there will be continuity, you touch it anywhere, the lamp should start. If there is a break, open circuit, the lamp will not work. If it is short circuit, use all the four wires will show it. That how? Now we will check this sample of the wire I have taken. Suppose this is the circuit in your house, two wires are running. So at one end you will put, and the next end means this is one wire. There is continuity, it is okay. Now the second wire, there is also continuity and it is okay. Now suppose any wire got break, open from in between somewhere, or both the wires got short. So we will come to that also. If it is open, the lamp will not glow with one wire. Now I will cut a wire, you see. Now the lamp will glow with one wire only. This is the two ends. It is not glowing with anywhere. Only one wire will glow. So means your one wire is okay and one wire is open. This is called open circuit test. Continuity test, you have seen it. So this is one wire I have continuity, one wire has open circuit. So this is a test. If your equipment is not working, the wire may open. If it got short, both the wires, the switch will trip always. So you can also check it. So afterwards I will show you in the other method also. This is the second method for short circuit test. This is the very safe method. Just a low volt tester and it come very cheap. No need for gloves, no need for shoes, right? With the help of this low volt tester, it is very easy to test. Now the same wire, I have joined it again. Both the wires should show the continuity. Then I will open the wire, so it will not glow. You see, the lamp is glowing. And now I will make continuity test of these wires. Two ends should give light. Yeah, there is. Here is no, because this is the cross. Another wire. Yeah, this first wire, that is second wire, you can say. Now I will open one wire. So there will be continuity in one wire only. Just watch the video carefully, you see. And the other wire, it will not show continuity. Means it is open circuit, the other wire. So like that you can test. And you can put a long wire. If the both ends are far, we put a long wire bus, one wire only. So now it is showing continuity. You have repaired the wire and it is showing continuity. Now circuit is okay after connecting the open circuit wire. So now we'll move to the third method with the multimeter. As how we will check, we will put it on the buzzer, our knob on the buzzer of the multimeter. So you will see buzzer will be like this. Then you will test to show the continuity. So you can hear the sound. Now we will take the wires and we will touch both. And it will show 0 also. Buzzer sound with 0. Now for the short test, what I will do, I will cut the wires. Now one will show open, one will not. So no continuity. Other wire has continuity, so it will beep. The buzzer will start beep. So there is continuity, in other wire there is no continuity. So buzzer will not beep. Now I will make short of all the 4 wires. So all the ends will show short, and you touch any wire, the beep will start. You touch any wire, it will start. So, my dear friend, these are the 3 methods. You might have learned it. Make practice. See you in next week. So, thanks my dear friends. You might have learned and make a good practice with the safety precautions. Gloves always in your hand. Put your shoes without nail, so you will never feel shock while working with these electrical projects. So thanks for subscribing and sharing my video and helping me to get it reached to the needy students, to the beginners. Electricians, they are trained, they know it. I want to expand it or make it reachable to the needy students. So, thank you.